Welcome back, guys. So it's my pleasure to welcome you guys to our section 1 on YouTube masterclass. Okay, without wasting much of our time, I have explained some of the things we are going to cover as far as this YouTube masterclass is concerned. All you have to do is to make sure you follow the step right here. This is 100% guarantee you necessary step you need to follow before you can get your monetization in less than few months and start making money from your YouTube channel. So let's get started with the first thing on this cardinal points that I was able to draft out of YouTube. So the first point we are talking about right here is going to be account setup. Okay, so like I explained to you guys in my previous introduction to YouTube masterclass, I was able to tell you guys these are the things we are going to cover as far as this class is concerned. So we're going to start with account setup on YouTube. So let's get started. So account setup on YouTube. So how do you make a free account on YouTube? How do you go about it on YouTube? It's a very simple step and a very straightforward one. All you have to do is to open your browser, and you can either use your Mozilla to get this thing done, or you can use your whatever browser of your choice. You are good to go. You can as well do this thing from your phone. All you have to do is to make sure you create a new tab from the top right here. Create a new tab and then come to your address bar. Type in youtube.com, then /sign up. It's as simple as that. Press enter key on your keyboard. Then it's prompt to where you need to fill in your detail. Alright, so it's open up this place, and then right here you enter your first name, you enter your last name, and then you enter your email address. So like I explained to you guys in the beginning of this class, make sure you have your Gmail account. If you don't have a Gmail account, just click here, create a new Gmail address, okay? Because without Gmail account, you cannot have a YouTube account. That's the first thing you need to understand. So enter your first name right here, enter your last name right here. So enter the email address you would like to use for the account, then enter your password. So when you are entering your password, make sure your password is very strong. So you can use this place to show your password. Then when you are done, click on confirm right here. So once you have filled all the form, click on next. So it takes you to where you will automatically direct into your YouTube account. So it's as simple as that. So this is how you make a free YouTube account step by step without any stress. All you have to do is to make sure you watch this video from beginning to the end. If you have any question for me as far as this tutorial is concerned, put your question in the comment section down below. If you would like to join my paid masterclass on YouTube, you can follow the link in the description of this video. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.